This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jerri Bottom. Ranch home on level lot, just minutes away from Fort Loudon Lake Public Boat Ramp, Tellico Industrial Park, and I-75. Property is situated on a beautiful level lot. Brand new HVAC installed in December 2020 and refrigerator, stove and microwave in 2019. Want to relax? You have your choice of lounging on expansive deck at back of home, or sipping iced tea on the covered front porch. This 3-bed/2-bath home would be perfect for the empty nester or first-time home buyer. Please note, the wood benches at fire pit do not convey with the property. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerri Bottom at 865-584-4000.